today we're gonna do some jokes. It's funny fun. Thank you. So, thank you. You don't know. Okay. First joke. What is a dog that always goes in the pool? A poodle. Next one. Where do you get clothes? Toys clothes us. Oh, I don't know. Let's just see. I have a question. Was that a mystery? I'm hungry. It was like, how many do you think are here? You don't know?
Are you guys hungry, by the way?
No.
As you hungry, buddy? I know
No.
you're hungry. What do you want? Let's go to Zaxby's, get some Zaxby's.
It's actually 100
What did you for another 5 hours? Hungry.
Okay.
Zaxby's? First of all, I have to look first.
Try the yo-yo. Hi. Nope. 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 That's all for it on this joke channel. Whatever. News. Whatever. Blah, blah, blah.